Well, the development that came in when it comes to the Union Ministry removing the Border Security Force Director General and his deputy and sending them back to their respective state cadres with immediate effect. Now, the new DG SSB Daljit Singh Chaudhary has been given the additional charge of the DG BSF as well, a post that fell vacant when it comes to the announcement that was made on part of the Union Home Ministry for the consequent repatriation, the premature repatriation of Nitin Agarwal being the Director General of the Border Security Force. Now, this is a development that came in as far as the tenure of both the officers that was cut short and was repatriated to their parent cadre. And Special DG West was heading the formation of the force along the Pakistan border, and BSF that guards the borders with both Pakistan and Bangladesh. Daljit Singh has now been given charge when it comes to the DG BSF, a post that fell vacant consequent to the premature repatriation of Nitin Agarwal. As far as the centre is concerned, that remove the BSF Director General Nitin Agarwal and his deputy Special DG West, sending them back to their respective state cadres with immediate effect. And this was a government order that has been issued. It seems when it comes to the additional charge, Daljit Chaudhary has now been given, Daljit Singh has been given when it comes to the additional charge of being the new BSF DG as well. We have Yawar with us right now. Yawar, when it comes to the appointment now is concerned, additional charge that has now been given to the DG SSB Daljit Singh Chaudhary.
Well, exactly. There's a back-to-back, developments that came in from the Ministry of Home Affairs, and now the Daljit Singh Chaudhary, who is also having a strong experience in the Jammu and Kashmir and has served here as the additional DG of the CRPF. He has now been given the charges of the DIG BSF, and after that, he is going to assume the charge. Now, remember that back-to-back, developments are coming in success today. First of all, the MHA called back to the parent cadres to the two top officers of the BSF. One was the Nitin Agarwal, who was heading the BSF as a DG, and then the Special DG West of the BSF has also been called to his parent cadre. So somehow he is witnessing a big development when it comes to the security agencies. Remember that after the back-to-back, incidents that occurred in the Pir Panjal and Chenab regions, we are witnessing that this is the first development that came in from the security establishment, that top rank officers of the BSF have been called to their parent cadres. Now, Daljit Singh Chaudhary.
All right. So this development that is now taking place after the government had issued the latest order. Now, when it comes to the repatriation of Nitin Agarwal, as far as Daljit Singh Chaudhary is concerned, he's been given the additional charge of the DG BSF. Thank you very much, Yawar, for joining in.